Welcome to the first module of the resume workshop. In the following 10 modules, you will come out on the other end with a much more impacted view of the process of the resume and what its intentions are for. Most importantly, you will be provided with the skill set to develop a better resume that will not only display your skill sets better, but will move through the ATS system indicating you as a top choice for the position. We must first start with understanding the importance of a resume. A resume is a pivotal tool in your job search arsenal. It is often the first impression you make on potential employers and can significantly impact your chances of securing an interview. An impactful resume clearly communicates your skills, experience, and qualifications, demonstrating how you can bring value to an organization. It serves as a marketing document that showcases your professional brand and highlights your most significant achievements. Our next section is going to cover the objective of your resume. The primary objective of your resume is to secure an interview by effectively showcasing your qualifications and potential value to a prospective employer. It should provide a concise and compelling summary of your education, work experience, skills, and achievements, tailored to the specific job you are applying for. Your resume should highlight your unique selling points and demonstrate how you stand out from other candidates. To wrap up this module, let's discuss how employers use resumes. Employers use resumes as a screening tool to quickly assess a candidate's suitability for a particular role. They typically spend just a few seconds reviewing each resume, so it's crucial that yours is easy to read and highlights your most relevant qualifications. Employers look for clear, concise, and well-structured resumes that align with the job requirements. A well-crafted resume can help you pass this initial screening and move on to the next stage of the hiring process. Thank you for completing Module 1 of the Resume Workshop. Don't forget to subscribe to the Recruiting Revolution for career prep, workshops and everything you need to stand out and succeed in a crowded employment market.